recording now. Jeez, I don't care. Yeah, I think I see a light getting closer. There's a light getting close. Okay.
Are you getting it on video?
Yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. If that's Norwegian, I'm gonna actually be so happy.
That's a different colour one.
Wait, what do you mean? No, that's the same Norwegian.
That is Norwegian. Good job.
I got it!
Go. Now we press stop on the record. Did you press stop on the record?
No, I keep going. I'm going still. I'm going still. American. Okay. Yeah, I want to know how I can zoom in. Oh, wait, there we go. Oh, I zoom in. I had to zoom in to get a better view.
Yeah. I'm trying to get all these lorries.
Lorries? What the heck are lorries? Oh, wait, these lanes. I saw a Norwegian, but I can't see it anymore. It's like somewhere. The Norwegian's somewhere, but I can't see it. Truck, can you get out? Oh, there you go. I can't see it because of that truck. Wait, I can kind of see a bit of light on the screen. Wait, but can I?
It's a lovely bit of road you're recording there.
I'm not recording the road.
You were.
Oh wait, I can't find light. Oh, there! I see it! I see it! I see it!
Truck.
Swiss! That said Swissport.
Yeah.
That's where Swiss goes. Oh, I see whatever that thing is coming in. But I can't see that because there's a truck. I got eye with it. I got eye with it. Okay, I'm getting eye with it. I'm getting eye with that Aer Lingus, if it is an Aer Lingus first try. First try, it's an Aer Lingus. Wait, where is it? Bro, I'm recording it going over there. Oh, there's the one moving. There's one moving. I actually gotta record my finger for no reason. Can I get in? Can I get in? Can I actually get in? Why am I covering that with my freaking finger? Oh my god, I actually can't see because of these things. Wait, I want to know how many minutes we'll be here because I want to name.
Stop recording, the video will be too long. Press stop and then press record again and then it'll just.
Recording it now. I mean, Dublin airport bus. Get out. Oh wait, it's the Dublin airport bus. Get out.
That's British Airways.
Where?
This one.
Wait, this is British Airways.
Yeah. That came in from Britain.
I don't know where that came from.
Britain, because it's British Airways.
Okay, now I got him. Wait, should I find the American moving? Okay, here it goes. It's moving. Okay, I'm ready. I can see it. Wait, that looks like SAS!
SAS is right.
Wait, that's the A350! That's the A350. Do it. Oh, look over there.
Wow, look at all these cars.
Look, careful about cars. It's a Ryanair. They move when it lands. Keep moving when it lands. Oh, there's British Airways. They move. I'll get out of the way. You should do that. That's it. Ben. Okay, I'll check who it is. Okay.
What is it?
Look, Aer Lingus!
Aer Lingus. Sorry, Shab.